they dog. I remember all the times I was there broke and it felt like I was poor. I remember all the times I was down bad and never slept on the floor. I remember all the times when I wouldn't last, but now
What's up, YouTube? It's Chris. I'm back with another video, and I'm back with some bad news. Somebody decided to break the mirror. So today, the mirror just came in. It's been like 2-3 days. You better replace that junk, bro. And if you don't know how to replace it, I'm about to show you how to replace it. So that way, just in case your mirror break or you just want to replace your mirror, you know how to do it, bro. So give me a second. I'm gonna get the camera set up, and then we about to just get started. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't waste no time. Opened it up. It comes with 2 caps for the mirrors, the mirror, the driver side, like I said, the bolts and stuff like that right there. I ordered this off of Amazon. I'm not gonna cap, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Shout out to JC Whitney, because it said it was supposed to get here from the 29th to the 3rd. It's the 30th. So at least it's here, bro. That's what I'm happy about. They said it should take like 30 minutes. I'm gonna say 20 minutes tops. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be a real short video. I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, mirrors here. It don't seem like it's too hard to do, so just like some simple bolts. Should be easy to knock out real quick. But yeah. All right, let me get everything, all the tools that I need. I'm gonna show y'all the tools that we need to do it, and then boom, we're just gonna get it done. Yeah, this is cooked, huh? Can't see nothing. All right, first things first, pull this off. Just give it a little light tug. Hold on. Got this right off the other day. I forgot they said to do it. All right. Let me see if I can get this camera set up right. This is just going to have to do for right now. Cause make sure this ain't right there so I'm not moving my mirror around. All right. Yep. All right. We're gonna set this up right here real quick. I can figure this out. There we go. All right. So when you're messing with it, you want to pull it over to this side, and then it comes off. Boom. Now you want to disconnect this. Don't be too rough, man, because you don't want to mess up that clip, because that has to go back in. That's for the mirror. All right. What part is that? So now we got that part off. Yeah, just unballed it. Boom, that whole piece come off. And then we should be good. But yeah, it's a lot of tools. We're just gonna skip this. Not gonna lie, that's a lot of stuff. I need to organize this joint a little better. So I'm gonna find it, show y'all which one it is, so that way y'all know exactly, say y'all the half, so y'all know exactly which one y'all need. Boom, 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 knock it out. It's not a 10 millimeter. I done tried all of these. It's not a 10, it's not a 11, so it must be a 12. Usually you can't find the 10. Oh, that's a 12? 12. 12, it is a 12, but all right, now there's my wrench. I just had it yesterday because I had it's in the trunk. Give me 1 second. All right, we got it. So you're gonna need 12 millimeter bulb. Easy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so you just need a 12. Really loosen this up. And then once you loosen it, you can really just unscrew it. Yep. Once again, I'm gonna just kind of move that one out the way. Just gotta loosen it. All right. It's kind of hard doing this thing with one hand though. No, not gonna lie. Let me see if I can. Nope, can't hand unscrew it. All right. I probably should have worried about the ones at the bottom first before I worried about the other one. This is the trial and error of a young YouTuber. Or a beginner YouTuber, let me say that. I did not account for that joint being right there. Let me see, is there a way I can move this? I don't want to mess nothing up. Like I said, you don't want to mess this up, because this is how you control your mirror. So let me see if I can put it right here. Can you still see? Yeah, you can still see a little bit. So I'm gonna put it right here. The steering wheel is low key in the way. All right, I'm gonna try to loosen it first, and then once I loosen it, I'm gonna pick the camera back up, because it's kind of hard trying to do it with one hand, not gonna lie. And I'm not a professional, so. And I need something that's small enough to get right here, which I don't have nothing small enough. That's another problem. Let me see. Gotta improvise. Oh, that's too big. The smaller one, and I should be good to go. All right, we gotta brainstorm real quick. Give me 1 second. All right. I was able to just stretch it a little bit just to get it right here, but all right, we loosened that one. Now I was trying to get it out. All right, as y'all can see, yeah, I didn't think this through, bro. But it is what it is. The show must keep going. Well, y'all get the gist of it, you know. 12 millimeter, get your little socket. Maybe try and find one smaller than this one that can fit in like compact spots. And then, yeah, once you get that off, everything is gonna be easy. But all right, because now I gotta get this one right here, and that one is gonna be a problem, as you can see. We cook. Whoever hit this mirror, oh, don't let me catch you, boy. Then who was Buddy? Buddy's over here revving his truck. Typical Ford, am I right? All right, another one down. Just want to unscrew that one. Don't drop it in the door though, because I just dropped the 12 millimeter in there, and that was kind of a hassle getting it up. So yeah, whatever you do, not. Look, I almost dropped it. Drop those. Put it in like a nice little central location. I put it right there. I know where it's at. And I think another problem with it is when they broke it, that part, you know, it's right there. It's right down here. So, okay, now for the worst one. This one's right here. So, yeah. I really don't know what to say about this. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, this is kind of wicked. Yeah. Probably not gonna be able to record that last part, because I have to maneuver that. But hopefully y'all got like the gist of it. Hopefully this is helpful, because you know, I tried, bro. Not gonna lie, I tried. Also, this is why I need a cameraman. Yep, okay, so now putting a new mirror on. Hopefully you guys don't ever have to do this, but make sure you have one of these for the tight ones, like right here and right there where it was no clearance. But also make sure you have this one. It makes the job easier. It's a 12 millimeter. Just use that, crank that joint off, and then you're good to go. You just want to make sure you line the mirror up and have it like on there perfectly. I already checked to see if the mirror worked. It works perfectly fine. And yeah, shout out to Amazon. I found this on Amazon for $50, so $50 can't really beat it. And it came here 2 days after shipping. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna show the last part because the last part, you know what I'm saying, it's really pretty, just like self-explanatory. And I'm gonna show you guys the finishing product once I get everything on right and bolt it in. All right, B, put 2 of them in just to make sure it was lined up right. Looks pretty lined up to me. Let me see, just plug it in real quick. Yep, once you plug that back in, then just do this real quick just to make sure it's lined. Oh, just push that back in. Let's just see. Yep. Yep, it works. Okay. Now we just gotta put the rest of the bolts in, and that is how you replace your mirror. So I forgot to do a little video. This is what the mirror looks like. It functions right. Yep. So hope this helped, and hopefully no one knocks off your mirror. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
In the title, I'ma bring it home. Tryna be the best I can be. Heavyweight champion of what I see. They ain't really believing me. Champion of the world, bitch,
All
that's
these
me.
niggas on the title, they like Trey, come hard, I'm